All right, in this question, you're being asked to find these values for z, y, and x in this parallelogram. You need to know a few things about parallelograms before you answer this question, so let's break that down. One thing we know about any parallelogram is that this angle here and its opposite angle will always be congruent. They're going to be the same. Okay, so these two angles are the same while these two angles are the same. We're going to have to use that information for this. We also need to understand one more thing, and that is that consecutive angles, those are angles that are going to be here and next to each other. This one and this one together will be a total of 180 degrees. Okay, so your consecutive angles are always going to come out to 180, while your opposite angles, opposite of each other, will always be congruent. So with those two pieces of information, we can now tackle this problem because they gave us angle measures as expressions. And we've got to figure out what x, y, and z are. So let's first talk about these being the same. That would be these two right here. They're opposite of each other. So all I need to do is say 3y plus 6 equals 111. This is equal to that. Write it out. And now you can solve it algebraically using inverse operations. We're going to take away 6. Cancels, take away 6, leave me with 3y equals 105. You're going to divide that by 3, divide by 3, y is equal to 35. Let's box it, let's save it. Okay, find somewhere else to work now, because now what you're going to need to do, we know that this is 111 degrees, and then this added to it needs to make 180. So these two added together have to be a total of 180 because they're consecutive angles. Okay. Well, how would we do that? If we know this and this is 180, we already got 111, so this has got to be equal to whatever 180 minus 11 is. That would be 5z plus 4 equals 180 minus 111. Because if we take that away and remove it, we know how much is left for this angle, which would be 69, which is equal to 5z plus 4. Again, we're in our two-step equation. Just got to solve this out. So take away 4, cancels, take away 4, leaving me with 65 equal to 5z. Divide by 5, divide by 5. Z is equal to 13. Is that right? Yeah, 13. Okay. And last but not least, because we already know that this angle here has to be 69 degrees, because 69 plus 111 makes 180. This is already 111 degrees, which helped us to find what the value of y is. If that's 69 degrees, this is 69 degrees. So I can just set up an equation right now saying negative 6x minus 3 equals 69. I'll do that over here in this empty space that I got. Negative 6x minus 3 equals 69. Add 3 to both sides. Negative 6x equals 72. Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. X is equal to negative 12. So we've got our x, our y, and our z values. We can go and give our answer. X is equal to negative 12. Y is equal to 35. And z is equal to 13. What did you have to know? You had to know that opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.